remedy to thicken hair with castor oil. Castor oil is a vegetable oil that comes from the castor bean, also known as Ricinus communis. It's considered a triglyceride fatty acid and contains a rare compound called ricinoleic acid. The ricinoleic acid is essentially unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid and hydroxy acid, which is said to increase the production of prostaglandin E2. A study found that scalp tissue with high levels of prostaglandin E2 had healthy hair growth. On the contrary, areas of the scalp that were balding had lower levels of prostaglandin E2. This vegetable oil contains vitamin E, which is well known for being extremely beneficial to skin and hair growth. Here are some of the benefits of castor oil. 1. Improves follicle health. As previously mentioned, the ricinoleic acid is a very important component of castor oil and contributes to creating healthy hair. This rare compound can improve the blood circulation to your scalp, which reduces hair fallout. This nourishment to the scalp essentially strengthens the roots of your hair. Castor oil also provides protection from microbes due to its antibacterial properties. 2. Thicker, healthier hair. Naturally, the increased hair growth and decreased hair fallout will create thick and healthy hair. As previously mentioned, castor oil helps strengthen the hair follicles and protects our hair from dangerous chemicals, leading to a much fuller mane. 3. Gets rid of dandruff. If you're ready to get rid of those small pieces of dead skin in your scalp, then castor oil is a great solution. Contrary to popular belief, dandruff has nothing to do with hygiene and everything to do with the body's response to yeast. Castor oil helps to balance the pH level of the scalp, which makes it difficult for dandruff to occur. The omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E moisturizes the scalp and reduces that annoying itchiness. The omega-9 fatty acids also moisturizes the scalp by acting as a humectant, additionally helping to stave off dryness. 4. Stops those pesky split ends. Split ends is a sign of unhealthy hair and could be a reason why your tresses are growing, but not retaining length. Stop split ends and hair breakage by massaging castor oil into your scalp a few hours before you wash your hair. The fatty acids and vitamin E will assist in smoothing out those harsh hair cuticles and increases the overall strength of your hair. Castor oil also fills in the damaged gaps of keratin in the hair shaft. As a natural conditioner, castor oil will give individuals a tamed mane, frizz-free hair, and fewer split ends. 5. A reliable hair protector. If you're in the sun often, using dyes, and use a ton of hair products, then castor oil should be a part of your routine. The omega-9s and omega-6s in castor oil provides a protective layer to the hair that protects it from harsh chemicals. It also restores the natural oils found in your scalp that naturally provides protection from the sun and hair products. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a scalp and hair growth, thicken treatment. So here is a home remedy with castor oil that promote hair growth and thick hair. What you need: 1/2 cup castor oil, 1/4 cup coconut oil. Directions. Take some of the mix in your palm and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips, the same way you apply your regular oil, and massage well. Leave it for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. You could also leave it in overnight. You will need to shampoo multiple times to get rid of the oil. Once you wash your hair, towel dry it and avoid using any heat styling tools immediately. Apply at least once a week, to see results. Castor oil is a great remedy for hair growth. Regular use of this oil alone, or in combination with other oils, along with some patience, will surely give you great results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.